Hello, and welcome to this English learning video. Today, we will practice the shadowing technique again. Remember, shadowing means you listen first, then repeat every sentence immediately. Copy my voice, my speed, and my emotion. You become my shadow. This exercise trains your ears, your mouth, and your confidence. Take a slow breath, relax your shoulders, and get ready. Today's story is told by a young woman. She is also the main character. The story is called, I Rescued a Lost Dog at Midnight. Are you ready? Let's begin. Please like and subscribe so you never miss the next shadowing story. Sometimes small choices, like checking a sound, change a night completely. I felt grateful for the quiet city, the open store, and the little dog who trusted me. Now it's your turn to practice shadowing. Rewind this video. Pause after each sentence. Repeat it. Copy my voice. Feel the emotion. Speak loudly and clearly. Practice many times until your words flow smoothly. My name is Lena. This is how your English becomes natural and strong. Thank you for learning with me. Like this video, subscribe, and join me for more shadowing stories. See you next time. I am 26 years old. I work as a nurse in a city hospital. My shift often ends late, and the city streets are quiet when I walk home. I like the calm night air after a busy day with patients. One Thursday in early autumn, my shift finished at 11:30 p.m. I changed clothes, left the hospital, and started my usual walk home. The air was cool. Leaves rustled across the sidewalk. A few street lamps flickered, but the road was mostly empty. After 10 minutes, I heard a soft whine behind a parked car. I stopped, listened, and heard it again, a small, shaky whimper. I stepped closer and saw a brown dog crouching in the shadows. Its collar glinted under the lamp, but no owner was nearby. I bent down. Hey, little one, I whispered. The dog wagged its tail, but stayed low, nervous. I reached out my hand slowly. It sniffed my fingers, then licked them once. I smiled. You're friendly but scared, I said. I checked the collar tag. The name was Buddy, and a phone number was printed below. I took out my phone to call, but the battery icon was red, 1%. I dialed quickly. The phone rang once, then died. A screen black. Great timing, I thought. I looked around. No people, no open shops. It was almost midnight. The nearest convenience store was 3 blocks away. I decided to take Buddy there, use their phone, and buy dog food if the store was still open. Come, Buddy, I said softly. He hesitated, then followed me, tail low but wagging. We walked under the dim street lights. His nails clicked on the pavement. A car passed, splashing water from a puddle. Buddy jumped, then pressed against my leg. It's okay, I murmured. At the store, bright lights shone through the windows. Open. I pushed the door. A bell rang. A sleepy cashier looked up from a magazine. Can I borrow your phone? I asked. He nodded and slid it across the counter. I dialed the number on Buddy's tag. A man answered, voice tense. Hello. Hi, I said. I found a dog named Buddy near Oak Street. The man gasped with relief. That's my dog. I've been searching for hours. Where are you? Corner Mart on Elm, I replied. I'll drive there now, 10 minutes, he said. I bought a small packet of dog treats and a bottle of water. Buddy ate 2 treats quickly, tail wagging faster now. I poured water into a paper cup. He drank noisily. The cashier smiled. "Good deed tonight," he said. I shrugged but felt warm inside. 10 minutes later, a blue car stopped outside. A tall man jumped out, eyes wide with hope. "Buddy," he called. The dog barked and ran to him, tail spinning like a fan. The man knelt, hugging Buddy tight. "You found him?" he asked me. "Yes," I said. He was hiding behind a car. He introduced himself as Mr. Carter. He explained Buddy had slipped out of the yard when fireworks started after a sports game. He had searched every street for 3 hours. He offered me a reward. I shook my head. "No need, I'm just glad he's safe." Still, he insisted on giving me a ride home. It was late and rain clouds gathered. I agreed. Buddy sat between us in the back seat, tongue out, happy and tired. Mr. Carter thanked me again and again. He gave me a card with his number. "If you ever need help, call," he said. He stopped at my apartment building. Rain began to fall, soft at first, then harder. I waved goodnight and ran inside. The hallway smelled of wet concrete. I unlocked my door, kicked off my shoes, and sank onto the couch. I thought about Buddy, alone, scared, then safe again.